Dude. Dude's a good boy. Look at the... Well, you can't see the doves, but... We get to decorate in the snow. We better get busy or we're going to freeze out here.
Yeah, I ain't going to mess with it when it's snowing.
Oh, why not? I will.
No, that's alright. You can do it. It don't matter. Here you go. Here you go.
Hi, Uncle Fritz. It's so pretty. So pretty. My gosh. I don't know if the camera will pick this up or not. It's so pretty. So pretty. I got snowflakes on my eyelashes.
What? No grass and dirt.
Yeah, we'll vacuum. Hey, I got to actually see a snowflake. You know, usually they melt so quick.
Yeah.
But yeah, I got to see the little points on the ends.
No doubt.
No doubt.
Well, we're gonna have, did you get the picture of it?
No, it was too small for the picture to see it. But Mom has a card that she made one year for a guy that was a real snowflake. Dog. Yeah. Dude, he's getting protection under the
That's how I get
tree.
My new weather wear.
Yeah, it's so cool. Okay. Bye, Aunt Jackie. Love you. We'll see you later.
Oh, that does voice too and everything, huh?
Yeah, does voice and everything. This is my Uncle Fritz, Aunt Jackie.
Hi, Aunt Jackie. Heard a lot about you.
And that's going to be our manger over there and the ladder for our lights. And who cares about the lights? We have snow. And you know, I almost forgot to roll up the windows on my diesel. So pretty. I put it up to the sky, but I don't think you can... Did you look up and look at the snow coming down? It's amazing. I don't think the camera will pick it up though.
It might.
I tried it a couple times.
Put it on video, see what it does.
It's on video.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I gotta go now so I can decorate. Bye, Aunt Jackie. Love you.